different data types we have seen integer data type. What is the keyword for declaring integers? Int is the keyword. Okay. Then we have real data types. Real data types where the variables can have real values. They are of type float, double. That means these real data type variables can have real values. Real values means which can have decimal part. You have both float and double data type. We have also seen the third data type, character data type. What is the keyword for the character data type? CHAR. CHAR. So this character data type, the variable of this data type can hold a single character of the character set. Can hold single character of the character set. Single character of the character set. Okay? Now, what is our next thing is, suppose I take an integer variable. Suppose I declare an integer variable x. Means what? X can have an integer value. How much integer value? Can it have any integer value of any number of digits? So that can be what is the minimum value of x I can have, what is the maximum value I can assign to the integer variable, that can be determined. Okay? So when I say x is an integer, what is the range of values you can have? Range of values an integer variable can hold. Okay? Or in the meaning is what is the minimum value it can have. Similarly, what is the maximum integer value a variable can have? That we have to know, because unless we know what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value the variable can hold, you cannot go on giving any integer value. So for that, we will see what is the minimum value of an integer you can have, what is the maximum value of an integer you can have. So let me check out what is the minimum value for an integer, what is the maximum value for an integer. So let us check it writing a program. Include preprocessor statement. Okay, this is the preprocessor statement, followed by the main function, body of the main function. Now suppose I take one integer variable x. Can x have any integer value? No. It has a limit. What is the minimum value it can have? What is the maximum value it can have? That is called as the limits of the values that you can assign to a variable. Suppose I want to know what is the minimum value x can have. So shall I say x is equal to so much of integer? This is also an integer value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is also an integer value. Can x have such a big integer value? Let me see. I have assigned some 7-digit integer. Okay. So let me print What is the value of x? Okay, percent d. I'll write x is equal to percent d, comma, value of x. Value of x. Okay, return. The last statement of the function is return. Okay, so let us execute this and see what happens. Okay, let us see the value of x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let me increase the number of digits. 8, 9. Another 0. I'll put 0 also. Okay, so still it accepts. So I'll add some more values. What is the value I got? Minus 2038490,386. But what is the actual value? I assigned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some absurd values it is giving. The value I assigned is not the value that is getting displayed, because every variable has some limits to its values. What is the minimum value? What is the maximum value? So let us see what is the minimum value that you can assign it to an integer. Okay, I'll just display. I'll have only printf statement where we will display what is the minimum integer you can assign, what is the maximum integer value you can assign. Okay, so percent d. So what is the minimum value? Minimum integer value you can assign. Okay, I want to know the maximum integer value you can assign also. Percent d. So how do I obtain, how do I know what is the minimum integer and maximum integer? That is defined by int capital, all capitals, underscore min, comma, int underscore max. These are called as constants, already available as constants in the C compiler. So these constant names, these are the names of the constants. They are available in the preprocessor file called as include limits.h. Limits.h is a file similar to your stdio.h. Limits.h file will contain these constant names. Int min, int max are called as constant names that are defined in this file. Okay. So these two values are defined in this file. This is a constant name. This is also a constant name. These two constants are defined in limits.h. What are the limits of different data types? Limiting values of different data types. Okay, let me execute this. Okay, so what is the minimum integer it allows? An integer can hold 2147483648. Maximum integer value you can have is the same number, one less than the previous number. This is negative value, this is positive value. You just observe the last digit only differs. This is negative, this is positive.